Okay guys, welcome to this free training. I am Mr. J. Okoli, also known as Dr. J, and this training is coming to you courtesy of Golf Course FS Academy. Alright? In this training, I'll be revealing to you the wealthiest secrets known to man. Okay? And it's actually the wealthiest secret known to man because it's actually the secret, or if you like, call it the key to the city, housing over $6 trillion per day, and yes, the key to forex trading. Okay, now you can imagine me making such claim at the beginning, right? Just stay with me, all right? But before I go on, who the heck am I, and why should you even listen to me? Okay, quick one. I started trading in 2014 as an undergraduate in Abu Saleh University, where I studied biochemistry. All right, and I of course mastered lots of strategies. I was taught a lot of strategies using Fibonacci tools like your trend line, support resistance, Bollinger Band, MACD, etc. Okay, and in that period of time I lost a lot of money to the brokers, of course wrong trading. I lost a lot of money to scammers, wannabe gurus, signal providers, account managers, etc. Okay, I've been through the trenches of discouragement and indebtedness because of trading for. At a particular time, 1 year I almost dropped out of school because I used part of my school fees to invest, and of course I lost that as well. So I've been through it all. I've seen it all. That's exactly the point. Okay, and my turning point came in 2017 when I encountered a mentor who revealed to me the insider's method. Actually, this guy was he worked as a broker in the forex market. For the newbies, if you have any question about what forex is and what's not, please you can check underneath the website to get acquaintance with that. Okay, 2017 I was shown the method I'm gonna be revealing to you. All right, and then it took me till 2018 to master this craft. Okay, and since 2018 I've trained over 200 students in Nigeria and diaspora who are consistently profitable in this business. This is a secret that the top 1% only knows, and some of them that knows it don't know how to apply it even. Okay, so it is very crucial you pay attention to what I'm about revealing to you. Okay, underneath this training page there are lots of testimonials. I just can't start sharing all of those here. We're not here for that. You can look through the testimonials. Okay, today's training, like you saw, I'll be revealing how you can easily grab 30 to 50 pips daily trading forex, and you can do that by spotting the high of the day or the low of the day. Okay, I'll just give you a quick intro. The high of the day is the point where currency or price will get to, and the market makers or the brokers will not exceed it. They have to fall. The low of the day is the point where price will get to. The brokers will not go below that point. It will rise. You want to buy when it is low and sell when it's high. We'll talk more about that shortly. Okay, a quick disclaimer. I admit that this short training, about 10-15 minutes in length, will not be sufficient for you mastering this method. That is just a fact, okay? But it will give you enough insight that will change how you trade, how you look at this whole stuff, and make money for yourself. Okay, so please ensure you stay with me to the end of the training, and you see the steal of the ages offer. Okay, I call it the steal of the ages offer because there's nothing like this anywhere else in the world, and it's important you stay to the end to see that. All right, so first of all, like I said, what's the high of the day and low of the day? Now in forex, you buy and sell currency. It's not gambling. It's not for the newbies. I'm just saying that. Okay, we simply sell currency at the high of the day, and we buy currency pair at the low of the day. That's normal business. When you go to the market to buy something for 2 naira, you buy it for 2 naira to sell it for 5 naira. So you bought at a low price and you sell for a high price. So once you understand that concept in forex, you sell at the high price called the high of the day, and you buy at the low price called the low of the day. Okay, what I just teaching high of the day, low of the day. There's also high of the week, low of the week, but that's not our concern. Okay, so just have a basic concept. You can write that down. You sell at high of the day and buy at the low of the day. But how do you know? Okay, how do you know the high of the day and the low of the day. That's exactly what we'll be talking about in this method, in this training. First of all, you have to memorize these 4 simple moves, or I don't call it simple. You have to memorize these 4 moves by the dealer, and then you are good to go. AITR. To know the high of the day and the low of the day, the dealer makes 4 moves, okay? And the A stands for accumulation, the I for induce, T for trap, and R for real trend run. Okay, now accumulation, induce, trap, and real run, AITR, like AIT, all right? But you only want to trade at the R, the real trend run. Okay, you don't want to be around the accumulation, the inducement, and the trap. Okay, now on that thing to note is that we use the 15 minutes charts to see the correct and the real move by the dealer. So the 15 minutes chart, M15 in your MT4 trader. For the newbie, you can check on the frequently asked questions and all of this stuff. We might have something to help you understand some concept or terms I'm using. Okay, use M15 to know this AITR. So let's go over it. Now you can see on my screen the high of the day analogy. You see the accumulation phase just by the left hand side, the inducement phase, the trap phase, and the run phase. I'm going to explain that in a minute. Let me take out the tool. What simply happens here, the dealer accumulates around this point, okay, at a particular time, which I'll be revealing, and then when they accumulate, what they do in the accumulation phase is to gather contracts. Okay, this is where they gather lots of retail contracts. You don't want to trade at this point, and this is actually at the Asian range. Now I will tell you for free, Forex has 3 time frame: the Asian session, the London session, and the US session. The Asian session, majority of the time is used to do the accumulation phase. Okay, and it starts from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. Nigerian time, GMT +1, depending on wherever you're watching this training from. All right, 11 to 8 a.m. the Asian time, the market makers or the dealers accumulate those laws of accumulation. Okay, now once that is achieved, the next thing they want to do is to induce traders. Okay, coming out of the accumulation bus, they are going to induce traders in 3 pushes. I'll show you this in real time chart. All right, in 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3, and then they will set a trap. The trap either to the upside, which we are looking at the high of the day, so we are looking at the trap to the upside. It's usually like a double top, as you can see. I will show you again in real chart. Okay, they will accumulate first again, and then induce traders to go long, that is to buy, whereas the real move is to sell. Okay, and then they will okay, let me take this out. All right, then they will trap traders around this point with certain candle, which I'm going to show, and then boom, they are out. This point here where the trap is in this case called the high of the day. All right, dealer will not exceed it because they have trapped a lot of traders going long, whereas the remove is to come down. Okay, let's proceed. I'll explain a lot of other things. For the low of the day, is just an opposite of what you have as the high of the day. It's just the opposite. Okay, you see the dealer coming out of the accumulate the contract in the Asian session. And remember, we talk about the Asian range, the London session, and the US, right? So in the Asian session, which is 11 to 8 a.m., they are going to accumulate contracts. Then the London Open, usually opposite of the high of the day we just looked at. So the dealer is going to come out of, remember we talk about the Asian session, the London, and the US session, right? So the dealer is going to come out of the Asian session, accumulate, and then induce traders. You see the word induce here, in 3 pushes to the downside, and then trap the traders and then run. Bam. This, my friend, is the low of the day, and then they will not go below this low. Your point is to buy here. All right, your point is to buy at the low of the day. Remember that. Yeah, your duty is to buy at the low of the day. Why for the high of the day, your duty is to sell at the high of the day. Once you know it is to sell at the high of the day, and then you buy at the low of the day. Now let's look at real chart examples and talk about this. Now these are actual trades taken in our group. Okay, you can see clearly from here. You can see clearly from here the A accumulation phase, 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3, inducement phase, and that was a trap, and then it came down to test the trap again, and then bam, high of the day, sold, you sell. Simple as this, guys. This now, what I'm showing to you, what I'm revealing to you, happens every single day. Every single day. Once you can spot the high of the day, you sell. Spot the low of the day, you buy. This is all they've got, guys. This is all they've got. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the low of the day. Okay, this is still high of the day analogy. Look at exactly what we're talking about. Accumulation phase. Oops. This is the same stuff. This is the same stuff. Let me take this out. Okay, you can see what I'm showing you from this point. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so you can see the same stage here. Sorry about that. The accumulation phase, as you can see over there. This is the accumulation phase all over here. This box shows the Asian range. These are what you get in our class. And then 3 pushes, high of the day first leg, second leg, and then run. This point there is a trap, and this is a retrend move. You sell. This happens every single day. For low of the day, similar stuff. You could see the low of the day. You could see the whole phase is there. Okay, the accumulation, induced traders in 1, 2, 3 moves to the low, trap, come back to test the trap, and then bam, they are out. I'm showing you this is what happens this trade actually played out the week of this video recording. My team and I, we took this trade. Okay, accumulation phase is not seen there, but came out from there. 3 pushes to the low, inducement, trap, but they came back again to test the trap level again, and then this trade moved over 100 pips in profit. Over 100 pips. I'm telling you how to grab little 30 and 50, but yet you can have more. You can have more, guys. You can have more. This is another example. I will not draw anything on this slide. You can see the accumulation, inducement to the low, and then testing of the low again. You must always wait for the second test to enter. You can call it an M top or a W bottom. You must wait for the second leg to be tested, the low to be tested twice before you enter your trade, and you grab an easy 50 and 30. And let me show you some example of vectors, or what you can call the inducement candles. They come in form of vector. Okay, they come in form of vector candles to the low, like what you could see in your screen right now. I said in 3 pushes. The accumulation phase is the Asian range. Okay, coming out of it, 3 pushes of candle will break it, 1, 2, 3, and this is how you know the trap, and then run, bam. Okay, and remember again, I said you can't really get all of it in this short training, but you should have enough to start your trading profitably. These are other inducement candle, 1, 2, 3, and then this is a trap, and then bam, that went over 50 pips again. Okay, these are your trap candles. You can see them under. I won't draw on this slide again. You will see the pins to the downside, because they are trying to fake traders to sell whereas they want to run. So that's a trap candle to come in form of pins to the downside. For the upside form of pin, you have the hammer candle there. These are just trap moves. These are trap moves. Again, you have a full-blown training in our academy. All right, when you start identifying these traps, these inducement, these traps, then you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. All right, a quick note: not all M's and W's will play out. Not all double tops and double bottom will pay out actually. Hence, our academy is built up to train your eyes to know the M's and W, or double tops and bottoms that will pay out. And let me tell you this for free. I'm not trying to sell anything in this training, but the truth is that if you register on what I call the Steal of the Ages offer that we give at the end of this training, and you are not yet a pro trader in 40 days or less, okay, I'm going to give you $1,000 plus an apology later, okay, for wasting your time. All right, I'm going to give you an apology later plus $1,000. And what you're going to register with in our training is peanuts. What some of you use for subscription for 2 weeks. Okay, 2020, despite all that has been happening, has to be your year, because the only business that didn't really get affected in this whole lockdown syndrome is online business, and topmost of all of them is forex, because so long as man exists, there is buying and selling transaction on daily basis to keep countries' economy together. Forex stands. Okay, guys, so the potential of this system, it has been available for over 40 years and will still till human disappears from the earth. This is all the move, this is all the brokers or market makers have to offer. Okay, and it is sure to give you 30 to 50 pips per trade, and depending on your lot size, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $3,000 per single trade. And this is the best time to earn in dollars. Naira dollar rates have been fluctuating. If you're Nigerian listening to this, wherever you are in the world or country, okay, this is the best time to earn in dollars. It is definitely now. Imagine a business where you can stay in your house and understand just these few secrets I've shown with you, okay, and then you are earning in dollars. Whether the lockdown continues, you don't care. You have the time and most importantly the leverage to for your life. All right, so a simple action for you guys. Okay, you want to know more about this, you want to take your trading to the next level. We have put together a master class training for you that will take you from scratch to stardom. Okay, we are currently giving away to the society for peanuts. Again, what you're going to register for is something less than what some of you used to subscribe. Okay, so we're currently giving away to the society. All right, so please, I encourage you, you want to know more about these moves and become a pro trader, okay, in 40 days or less, or I give you $1,000 and a little of apology, no jokes. Simply click the link below this video. All right, click the link below and access the crazy offer, steal of the ages offer is for you, and you take advantage of it because it won't stay for long. Thank you for listening. I hope you gained value for your time, knowing the market makers move, up and down movements, and how to do all of the high of the day and low of the day. This, guys, is a secret. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you for your time. God bless you.